got to see some sunshine today on the MSU campus. Looking out over the junction right now, you're starting to see the sun set. It's about 4:25 in the afternoon, so that's pretty normal. Pretty chilly temperatures though, just like we've seen the past few days. Right now, 41 with some calm wind, and all of this is about to change. We're starting to see some of this cloud cover build in, seeing a nice moisture boundary setting up here on the satellite and radar. That's going to come into play when we look at tomorrow's snow chances. So we are under a winter storm warning effective tomorrow. The entire viewing area is, for that matter, all of North Mississippi, winter storm warning, and here's why. We've got a snow event coming to the state of Mississippi. Right now we're under a high pressure. That kept our sky mostly clear today, but we're watching this cloud cover work its way in overnight tonight because of this low pressure system. Now this is what we're going to have to keep an eye on. If this moves a little further north or a little further south, it's going to affect our snow chances for tomorrow, but here's what the predictor is expecting to happen. By 11 o'clock tomorrow, starting to see moisture in Mississippi, specifically in Starkville. The rain has already begun and we're starting to see that snow work its way in. We'll stop it again at 3 o'clock and you can see if we didn't have this snow by 11, definitely got it now by 3, and that's going to continue for a couple more hours. I'll stop it again at 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. By then, all that moisture is off to the east, leaving behind a pretty thick cloud deck. So we do have this snow event. Here's what we're looking at in terms of accumulation. Now again, this is how the predictor has laid out the track of that low pressure. If it shifts a little bit north or a little bit south, all of this is going to change. To the southern part of the state, looking at mostly rain. It's just not cold enough there to get the snow. But the moisture is going to work its way up from the Gulf. So southern counties in our viewing area are probably going to see more snowfall than the northern counties. So we've put 2 to 4 inches for our southernmost counties, including Oktibbeha and Lowndes. Looking a little further north, 1 to 3 inches. And again, this is just what's expected based on how that low pressure is tracking right now. Tonight we'll get down to 29 and you'll start to see some of this snow and sleet, especially some freezing rain as well, working its way in overnight tonight. Tomorrow's high, not much different than the overnight low. 33 degrees, yeah, that's a high tomorrow, but we're going to see some snow, so it's probably an equal trade-off. Now, because we have the snow, the university here, Mississippi State University, is closed. The Sanderson Center is going to be open 10 to 5 tomorrow, and the big Kentucky basketball game at the Hump is still going to happen as of right now. That's going to happen at 6 p.m. tomorrow. So once we make it through the snow event, here's what we can expect. More chances at sunshine as we look ahead at the weekend, especially Friday. That's probably going to be the best day to see the sun again. And then warmer temperatures as we look towards next week. Monday's high 60, Tuesday's high 62 degrees.